Welcome to the Weekly 90. We've dug into the details of Trudeau's second budget, and here it is. Flowery language, empty promises, deeper deficits? Check. Higher taxes and more debt? Yep. No new senior-specific announcements and no plan to kickstart our economy? Nailed it. And for the second straight year, Trudeau has slashed funding for the Department of National Defence, now facing a $12 billion shortfall. What makes this curious is that the Liberals managed to find funding for everything they want. $130,000 for a vacation to the Bahamas for Trudeau and his friends? No problem. $1 million to renovate a Liberal minister's office? Easy peasy. $121K for Trudeau's visit to the summer camp for billionaires? Of course. And $220,000 for PMO staffers to move from Toronto to Ottawa? Done. Meanwhile, our military is left scrambling with second-rate equipment. So if Justin Trudeau's main objective with the second budget was to let down the middle class, stall the economy, and disappoint our armed forces and veterans, it was certainly mission accomplished. Speaking of the economy, interim Conservative leader Rona Ambrose was able to calm the nerves of Canadian business investors following her visit to Washington to meet with America's Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross. Ambrose and Ross agreed there is tremendous value in our business relationship and a need to convey stability and confidence in that relationship to our business leaders. Trudeau also made a trip down south to New York City. Was he there to visit the UN, meet with US lawmakers, promote Canadian businesses? Nope. As McLean puts it, Justin Trudeau took his greatest feminist hits to Broadway. While there, he joined the former editor-in-chief of The New Yorker and Vanity Fair to deliver the usual platitudes about it being the current year to a, and I quote, mostly white, mostly female, small L, liberal crowd. Priorities, I guess. Anyway, that's the week that was in about 90 seconds.